It's Brian from Winter Garden Yoga, the only yoga studio where flexibility is not required. Today we're going to look at extended arms mountain pose. So when you're ready, grab your mat and let's get started. Awesome. A big piece of the puzzle with the method of yoga that we teach is called functional yoga instruction. A big piece of that puzzle is, what is the intent of the pose? We ask that question. What are we even trying to do in the pose? So for extended arms mountain pose in particular, we're trying to develop shoulder health and functional shoulder ability. Just things like reaching for a jar, reaching for your ceiling fan chain. If you live in Florida, we have tons of ceiling fans. Just simple things like reaching up, changing a light bulb. That's the skill we're trying to develop, among other things, through extended arms mountain pose. So let's take a look at some common things I see when people do extended arms mountain pose. Number one, I'll turn sideways. Straighten the arms, bring the arms up overhead, and then lift the rib cage because maybe they're tight through the shoulders, so they'll compensate through the rib cage. That's one thing. The other is the inability to straighten the arms, so the arms kind of come up like this. Now, all things being equal, if it's not a clinical or medical reason, those things are fine. If that's the best you can do, then that's the best you can do. But some folks, they don't straighten their arms because they don't realize their arms aren't straight. So how do you know if your arms are straight? You should be able to feel your triceps muscles back here contracting. You may need to stretch your biceps muscles and strengthen your triceps muscles. So what we're trying to do in the extended arms mountain pose, get a good mountain pose going first, extend your arms, make them straight, and you're bringing your arms up overhead this way. And this is, it's a little tougher than it looks because we're trying to keep the rib cage down. So you reach your arms up, you reach your rib cage down. Now, a lot of times what happens is folks are tight in the shoulders. They don't get this kind of extension. So what happens is that they will flex the rib cage, or I should say extend the rib cage in order to compensate for the lack of mobility in the shoulder. If that's happening to you, definitely get it checked out. See a massage therapist, see a movement specialist. We have videos here on our YouTube channel that help you unlock your shoulders. But do your best to keep your arms straight, ribs down, arms up overhead, steady breathing. Hands to heart center, bring your hands down. Awesome. I hope you give that variation of extended arms mountain pose a try. Let me know what you think in the comments. If I can help you with your extended arms mountain pose, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll do my best to help. Please subscribe, because at 1,000 subscribers, I'll shave my beard. Go forth and be awesome.